What's up, YouTube? So on today's adventure, we're taking my 7-year-old PC and cleaning it up, going over it, refreshing it, and seeing if it's still good enough for today. Obviously, I have a little bit of editing to do. I had to fight with Steam to get some of my games back. Wasn't able to. Got to make a new account. I had to rebuy all my games. It is what it is. So this computer has been sitting around for 40 years. It's collected a lot of dust, hair, what have you, and it hasn't been on for 4 years. So that's pretty much what I did. I took it all down, all the way complete bare metal, pretty much. Gave it a good shower, cleaned the parts as best as I could, went over everything, and got it to run. I had a little bit of an issue, you'll see later on, and it is what it is. It runs, it goes through everything that I needed to do. It plays some of the games. I mean, CSGO does it good, but it's not really a benchmark. It's just an i7 700K and a 1070 OC. It's 7 years old, but it still works. So I hope you guys like the videos. I'm hopefully going to do a little bit more. Maybe later on I'll upgrade it and do some other things, but for now, it is what it is. If you like it, hit like, subscribe. I'll bring you guys more content, bring you something better. Production will definitely get better. I am running off a good old cell phone, but all right, enjoy. So at this time, I thought I needed a new power supply. So I went ahead and took it apart, figured out it was just the RAM sticks, reseated them, everything worked out. So here we go. Here's a finished product. Enjoy.